you doing?
Fine.
Great! I'm going to take the attendance now. Please stay here when I call your name. Look at this picture. What do you see? Where are they? What is happening in this picture? What do you think the person is asking for? Great guesses! Now let's listen to the actual conversation.
Could you bring me the menu, please?
Of course, here you go.
What did the person say? Yes, that's a polite request. What did the waiter say in response? Great! Now, what if the waiter couldn't bring the menu right away? How might he respond politely? Yes, even when refusing, we should be polite. So today, we are going to learn how to make polite requests and response to requests by agreeing or refusing. So, polite request is a way of asking someone to do something in a respectful and considerate manner. When we make requests, we need to be polite. Here are some common phrases. Could you? Would you mind? Is it okay if I? Now let's see how we can respond. For agreeing, sure, of course, no problem. And for refusing, you can say, I'm sorry, but I'd love to, but... These are the examples. Diva and Talisa, could you read it for us? Great job! Now, I want you to work in pair and match these requests with the correct responses. Now let's check the answers. Start with the number 1. Which pair wants to answer? Now let's make things fun. You're going to create 5 unusual requests. This could be silly or unexpected. For example, could you dance for me? Or would you mind singing a song right now? Once you have your 5 requests, ask your classmates and record their responses. Did they accept or refuse? Now let's discuss the results. How many people accepted your request? How many refused? What polite phrases did they use? Alright, it's your turn to create a short conversation using polite requests and responses. Each of you will get a scenario and you will write a short dialogue based on it. You must include at least 1 request and 1 response, either agreeing or refusing. After that, you'll perform the dialogue with our partner for the class. Is that clear? Okay class, what did we learn today? Awesome! Remember, being polite makes communication more effective. See you next class!